Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this quite a few times. I think this is now the 3rd day in a row I've done it. But once again, another monster move. This was a very fun one to trade today. In fact, it was the only stock that I did trade today. So up and down all over the place and a lot of eyeballs on it. And obviously after today's price action, a lot of updates here need to be made. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Get rid of these lines. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant right now. So we want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So, really even at this point, 960 is probably irrelevant given it's way up there at 17, but this is a very fast mover, so I'm not saying that 960 is going to get tested tomorrow or anything, but it may not be as far off as what it really seems, but that is going to be the newest area of support. Short-term support, meaning kind of if you were watching levels today, then right down here at about $16.25. A couple times early on, you can see the bears try to press down through there, but can never maintain anything. And then the remainder of the day never quite exactly hit $16.25, but these lower shadows were somewhat right down around this area. Now, if you want to call the support $16 or $16.50, I mean, that's totally up to you. But the point here being that, right around, this portion of the chart right here, you can see there is quite a bit of history with buying whenever the bears did try to press down. So $16.25 going to be that near-term level of support. And then again, 960. And then the big one to just keep an eye on, like I've been saying, is that purple line right there. And, this is the very simplistic way to watch, kind of the overall health of the move and the current price action, meaning as long as the price is up above that purple line, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? The current key level right now is just simply where the price, the party stopped multiple times, and that's right up there at about $18.85. Somewhat random, but that's basically right where it got rejected off multiple times. One time there did push up above it, but can never maintain above it. So going into tomorrow, $18.85, public enemy number one. But as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher bases like it's been doing, the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.